Why should we eat avocados every day? Every single day I eat avocado. They are so amazing. Let me just tell you a little bit about avocados. They are rich in healthy fats and they contain an excellent source of dietary fiber. They have vitamins and minerals as well, antioxidant properties, and they are of course low in sugar. They're very versatile as well because you use avocado anywhere. Put them in salads. Don't forget to put it in your smoothie every day. It makes it rich and creamy. You can make a nice chocolate pudding with cacao powder, a little bit of stevia and some avocado. Put that in the blender. Beautiful. And so you can make so many things. It's good for your heart. And it promotes also healthy skin because of the fat content and brain health as well. So now let's make something clear. Fat doesn't make you fat. Good fats will help you to lose the weight. So avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, they're all very, very good fats, as well as the animal fats. So have plenty of them. It will support your weight loss as well. Now, what else? Help with weight management. It improves heart health, regulates blood sugar levels as well. It can enhance the nutrient absorption, reduce inflammation. It supports eye health, aid in digestion health, and boost immune function, promotes hair health because of the fat content again, and it reduces the risk of metabolic syndrome, supports bone health, and may lower cancer risks. So avocados, they are really amazing, and I eat avocado every day, and so should you. Now that we know that avocados are so good for you, how do we manage to keep them at hand? Now, we buy them, they are green and hard as a rock, and all of a sudden, they're all ripe at the same time, and so we're not ready to eat them right now. So how do we keep them? First of all, if you want to keep it whole and maybe eat it in the next week or so, you can just grab a water container and put the avocado like this in the water inside the fridge. It will stay exactly the same for at least 1 week. Even I kept them for 2 weeks, and I promise you your avocado will be perfect when you take it out and cut it into. So that's one way to keep them. The other way is I just cut them in two, and those are already frozen. I put them like this on the tray in the freezer, and now I just have to grab them here and put them in a bag like this and send this back in the freezer, and we can take one or two and put it in our smoothie every day. So enjoy your avocado. They are so healthy and so good for you. Bon appétit!